This is a video to show you a teapot which has not been sanded. Is it worth sanding or isn't it worth sanding? After this shot, I will now sand from 400 grit up to 2000 and show you the result. So I'm back and we have the result. I think I would like to buff it more, as my little denim buffing pad came loose, so it needs to be tightened up and done more. But as you can see, some of the colours really pop and you get that lovely glass effect with this faux labradorite tutorial from Sweet Bow. Ludmilla, I think you pronounce her first name. So that's a really interesting little pot. And this is the other one that some of the polymer clay Aussie girls got to see. So I just did a little pink spout. And this one, the shine on this is Cato liquid clay. So you can see how that makes it pop. So you can't sand these, as these are kids' tattoos. So by painting them over with the liquid clay, that's worked quite well on the Skinner blend. And that's a little bit of the labradorite faux stone on the back. There you go.